Unyaka omusha uza nezinguquko ezihlukile ezimpilweni zabantu. Kwabanye unyaka ka-2024 ufike noguquko lokuba ngumzali.
It's my second born. Yes. My first born is a boy, now it's a girl, so I'm excited.
Owengamele ezempilo eGauteng, uNomantu Nkomoralehuko, uhambele isibhedlela seGarankuwa iDr George Mukhari Academic. Ufike wakhunga abantwana ngezipho wabe esecebisa omama ngezinto eziphathelene nokukhuliswa komntwana. Uralehuko uthi usemkhulu umsebenzi njengoba kusekhona abesifazane ababa ngomama besebancane. Uthi lokhu kuyamkhathaza kakhulu.
We need now to educate our communities about our children. We need to go back to basics because we can't have young children that are giving babies. Even here, with a 17-year-old and an 18-year-old, definitely those people are still young according to us as families. So we need that emphasis in our communities. It's something that we'll have to take it up as public representatives.
Kusenjalo, Isifundazwe Eastern Cape samukele izingane ezingaphezu kwama-50.
Sibize kuba nginehle kuba beyinew year eqhiqe ngexesha beyiqala ngayo.
Ngisho nogogo bezingane bakujabulele ukufika kwabazukulu.
Ndiziva ndivuya kakhulu ngoba kaloku umzukulwana wami uqala. So ndiyavuya kakhulu, ndiyavuya.
Okumangaze abaningi ukuthi umama omncane kunabo bonke kulesi sifundazwe uneminyaka engu-14 ubudala.
The youngest here in Doranginza have since delivered a baby is 14. Yes, we are excited to have babies, but at the same time, we want to plead with our society, the parents and everybody, to say let's try to continue to up the game in educating our young ones, that they must wait a bit until they are ready both physically and economically to be mothers.
Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal sona samukele izingane ezingaphezu kuka-80, iNorthwest yona yamukela izingane ezingu-30, kanti iLimpopo yona yamukele izingane ezingaphezu kuka-40.